Friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we will prepare aromatic and hearty keto mushroom tartlets. They will be a perfect appetizer for a festive table or a cozy family dinner, while being completely safe for people with diabetes and those following a low carbohydrate diet. So, for the base, we need 100 grams of ground almonds, a source of healthy fats, protein, and magnesium. 30 grams of coconut flour can be replaced with sesame flour, contains almost no net carbohydrates and is rich in fiber. 30 grams of sesame seeds, a source of calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum helps the dough maintain its shape. Dried garlic and dried onion. For aroma, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 70 grams of soft melted butter. We combine all the ingredients and knead until the dough is uniform. We let the dough rest for 5 to 10 minutes to stabilize. 2 slices of bacon. For aroma and a light saltiness, half an onion. Mushrooms, frozen chanterelles, and mini oyster mushrooms, or any others of your choice. Olive oil and butter for frying. Cheese, 30 grams. Optional, can be omitted for a more pronounced mushroom flavor. 100 grams of cream cheese, for example, Philadelphia, can be replaced with full-fat sour cream. Fresh herbs, basil or parsley. We chop part of the onion and fry it with bacon in a spoonful of olive oil so that the bacon releases its aroma. In a separate pan, in a mixture of butter and olive oil, we fry the remaining onion, then add the chanterelles and oyster mushrooms. We season with salt, black pepper, dried garlic, and Provençal herbs. We allow the mushrooms to evaporate their liquid and lightly brown. Into the prepared mushrooms, we add minced garlic, cream cheese, and grated cheese, if using. We mix until creamy. We add the fried bacon with onion and the chopped herbs. We grease the tartlet molds with butter and lightly sprinkle them with breadcrumbs, optional. We divide the dough into 5 equal parts, roll each slightly, and place it into the mold, forming edges. We prick the bottom with a fork. We place the molds with dough in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, then bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 8 minutes. We spoon the filling into the slightly baked bases, reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius, and bake for another 13 to 15 minutes until the tops are golden. We get tartlets that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, with a rich mushroom aroma, making them an ideal festive appetizer. No wheat flour or fast-acting carbohydrates, high in healthy fats and protein. Fiber from almonds, coconut flour, and sesame helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Recipe taken from the channel Keto and Low Carb Recipes.